How to open a 529. Opening a 529 college savings plan may seem daunting, but it's straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a 529 plan. Start by exploring plans in your state. Over 30 states offer tax benefits for contributions. Look for plans with low fees and a history of strong performance to maximize returns. Step 2. Determine the type of account. Decide between an individual account, where the parent is the owner and the child is the beneficiary, or a custodial account, where the child is the owner and a parent or other adult is the custodian. Most families prefer individual accounts for flexibility and control. Step 3. Complete the application. Use online tools like Saving for College's Best 529 Plans Guide to streamline the process. From here, you can click on the Enroll Now button adjacent to the plan's listing to go directly to the online application. Provide personal details for the account owner and beneficiary to complete the application. Step 4. Choose investments. Choose how your deposits will be invested. You can select from age-based portfolios or static portfolios. Age-based portfolios automatically shift from higher return assets, like stocks, to less volatile assets, like bonds, as your child approaches college. Static portfolios have a set asset allocation based on achieving an objective, such as aggressive growth. These are best for experienced investors. Step 5. Fund the plan. Fund your 529 plan via automatic bank transfers, payroll deductions, or rollovers from other plans. Regular contributions help build savings over time. Start today and secure your child's educational future. SavingForCollege.com.